Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of marketing tools? Each promising to be the magic bullet, but leaving you more confused and often significantly poorer? I know I have. And one name that keeps popping up in those conversations is Emma. Specifically, Emma Pro. But the burning question, the one we're all really here for, is how much does Emma Pro actually cost? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be honest, pricing pages can be cryptic, sales reps can be, well, sleazy, and sometimes you just want a straight answer. So, we're going to break down Emma Pro's pricing structure, explore the different tiers, and help you determine if it's the right fit for your business and your budget. Before we jump into the numbers, let's quickly recap what Emma is and why you might even be considering it in the first place. Emma is a robust email marketing platform designed primarily for small to mid-sized businesses. It offers a range of features, from basic email creation and sending, to more advanced automation, segmentation, and analytics. It's known for its user-friendly interface and focus on helping businesses build stronger relationships with their audience through email. Now, why would you choose Emma Pro over, say, the standard Emma plan or other email marketing platforms out there? The Pro version is where you unlock the more powerful features that are often crucial for scaling your email marketing efforts. We're talking more sophisticated automation workflows, dynamic content, advanced segmentation options, and deeper integration capabilities. These are the tools that allow you to personalize your messaging, target specific audience segments with pinpoint accuracy, and ultimately, drive better results from your email campaigns. Okay, so we understand what Emma Pro is and what it offers. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the cost. Unlike some other platforms that offer fixed monthly or annual pricing, Emma's pricing is primarily based on the number of contacts in your email list. This means the more subscribers you have, the more you'll pay. This model is pretty common in the email marketing world, as it directly correlates with the resources required to manage and send emails to your audience. Emma doesn't publicly display its exact pricing tiers on its website. This is a common practice for enterprise-level tools, as pricing can often be customized based on specific needs and contract negotiations. However, based on research and user reports, we can get a pretty good idea of what to expect. Typically, Emma's pricing starts at a certain base price for a smaller number of contacts, usually around 500 or so. As your contact list grows, the price increases incrementally. These increments aren't always linear. Sometimes, there are price breaks at certain milestones, meaning the cost per contact might decrease slightly as you reach higher tiers. Now, giving you exact numbers is tricky without having a specific quote from Emma. However, we can talk about ranges. For smaller businesses with a few thousand contacts, you can expect to pay somewhere in the range of a few $100s per month. As your list grows into the tens of thousands, the monthly cost can climb into the thousands of dollars. It's important to note that these are estimates. The best way to get an accurate price for your specific needs is to contact Emma directly for a personalized quote. They'll take into account your contact list size, your anticipated sending volume, and any specific features or integrations you require. Beyond the base pricing based on contact count, there are a few other factors that can influence the final cost. For instance, if you required dedicated IP addresses for sending your emails, this will usually come at an additional cost. Dedicated IPs can be beneficial for improving deliverability, especially if you're sending high volumes of emails. Another factor to consider is onboarding and support. Emma offers different levels of support and premium support packages, which include dedicated account managers and more hands-on assistance, might come at an extra cost. This can be a worthwhile investment, especially if you're new to email marketing or if you require more technical assistance. So, we've covered the contact-based pricing, potential add-ons like dedicated IPs, and premium support. But how does this stack up against the competition? Emma is generally positioned as a premium email marketing platform. This means it tends to be priced higher than some of the more budget-friendly options available. However, it also offers a more comprehensive suite of features and a higher level of support compared to those cheaper alternatives. When evaluating Emma Pro, it's essential to consider the value it brings to your business. If you're a small business just starting with email marketing, some of the more basic and affordable options might be sufficient. However, if you're a growing business that relies heavily on email for marketing and communication, and you need advanced automation, segmentation, and reporting capabilities, then Emma Pro could be a worthwhile investment. It's all about weighing the cost against the potential return on investment. If Emma Pro helps you generate more leads, drive more sales, and build stronger customer relationships, then the cost can be easily justified. To summarize, Emma Pro's pricing is primarily based on the size of your email list. It's a tiered system, meaning the more contacts you have, the more you'll pay. While exact pricing isn't publicly available, you can expect to pay anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on your needs. Additional costs may include dedicated IPs and premium support packages. The best way to get a precise quote is to contact Emma directly. They can provide a personalized pricing proposal based on your specific requirements. Before making a decision, it's crucial to consider your business needs, budget, and the potential ROI of using Emma Pro. If you require advanced features and a high level of support, and you're willing to invest in a premium platform, then Emma Pro could be a great choice. But if you're just starting out or have simpler email marketing needs, there might be more cost-effective options available. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.